Dad said we could have the day off. It's so exciting. He never lets us.
Let's go split Iririki Island. Let's go.
What are you doing? So before we went out for the day, we thought we'd take the kids up this crazy steep hill that's on the way to check out the view. It's an absolutely amazing view. But you've got to have a bit of faith in your driver, and probably don't make the mistake we did of stopping halfway up the hill, because that car did not want to get going again. Probably better off pulling over on the way back down. Put your bag on now,
Why do
though.
I have this?
That's a bigger one.
Oh my god. Actually, I just... Oh wow. Pull the fish. Oh, come on, you missed it.
Start playing over, you go. That's it, where we come.
There's a school of fish.
There is a little school of fish. We came from over there. So we paid for the Iririki day pass, which covers us from 8 o'clock till 6 at night. We obviously didn't stay that long. It covers your ferry ride and use of the pool while you're on the island. I think you can also use it for snorkeling gear if you want to do that. Zach and I were $32 each, and for the 3 older girls it was $13, and that includes a small credit towards food and drink. Daisy, of course, was free because she's under 3. Alright, so Bonnie, we're here where it says number 13, and we're going to go all the way down here. 13's up here. We're going to come all the way down here to number 17. Ready? Oh, there's a bigger map over here. Yeah, we got to walk for ages.
Where's the kids club?
Can you see where it says Kids Club?
Going left.
We're in the original.
Go. Thank you, baby.
You know how we have a day pass? Because I'm paying this thing here for the whole day.
Oh, look at
Too hot for this little girl.
Today has been a ridiculously hot day. Zach's just been pacing up and down the road trying to settle Daisy down. She's so overdue for a sleep, but she's just too hot. We're going to dunk her in the pool and hopefully that'll help settle her down and she'll be able to nap. No one wants a cranky baby.
Is it cool or warm?
It's cool.
Whoa. That's cheered you up, eh? Daisy. Daisy.
Say hi, Dad.
Daisy. You want to jump back in? Yeah, let me take off my shoes and that and I'll come and help you.
Yeah, you come.
trip we have enough money to go to that other one we booked where we had the over-the-water villa.
That'd be nice.
Different. A reward.
Yeah, like I said, the problem is once we get to the end of a trip, that's when all the fun stuff starts happening with the build, and we won't want to go and relax. We'll want to go to the house and do all the building.
You won't want to go and yeah. I'm doing all
Maybe I want to relax.
I'm doing all the work. I'm doing all the work. Oh, heaven forbid you guys have to go to a resort.
There's the cargo port. That's where the shipping container was stored when we sent everything over.
Daisy, can Dad have a bite? Dad. Can Dad have a bite? Alright, more for Daisy. I had a bite. Thank you. You have some? Some for Daisy? That's for a dead crab. Alright, you guys have had a swim and some good food. We gotta get back to work.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.